What is your name?
My name is Jenny.
How old are you?
I am 26 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in China.
Are you a student?
Yes, I am a student.
What do you study?
I study English.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English very much.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is apple.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I eat breakfast every day.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I drink tea.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I like milk.
What time do you go to school?
I go to school at 8.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
Do you have friends at school?
Yes, I have many friends.
Who is your best friend?
My best friend is Anna.
Do you like to play games?
Yes, I like to play games.
What is your favorite game?
My favorite game is football.
Do you read books?
Yes, I read books.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is an English storybook.
Do you like music?
Yes, I like music.
What kind of music do you like?
I like soft music.
Can you sing songs?
Yes, I can sing a little.
Do you watch TV?
Yes, I watch TV.
What is your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is cartoons.
Do you like movies?
Yes, I like movies.
What is your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is a comedy movie.
Do you live in a house or an apartment?
I live in a house.
How many rooms are in your house?
There are 5 rooms in my house.
Do you have a kitchen?
Yes, I have a kitchen.
Who cooks food in your house?
My mother cooks food.
Do you help your mother at home?
Yes, I help my mother.
Do you wash the dishes?
Yes, I wash the dishes sometimes.
Do you clean your room?
Yes, I clean my room every day.
Do you have a garden?
Yes, I have a small garden.
What do you grow in the garden?
We grow flowers and vegetables.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a pet dog.
What is your pet's name?
My pet's name is Max.
Do you play with your pet?
Yes, I play with my pet every day.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a computer.
Do you use the computer for study?
Yes, I use the computer for study.
Do you have a mobile phone?
Yes, I have a mobile phone.
Do you call your friends?
Yes, I call my friends.
Do you send messages?
Yes, I send messages.
Do you take photos with your phone?
Yes, I take photos.
Do you use the internet?
Yes, I use the internet.
What do you watch on YouTube?
I watch English lessons on YouTube.
Do you learn English online?
Yes, I learn English online.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study every day.
How many hours do you study?
I study for 2 hours.
Do you like homework?
No, I do not like homework.
Do you write in English?
Yes, I write in English.
Do you speak English with your friends?
Yes, I speak English with my friends.
Do you want to speak English fluently?
Yes, I want to speak English fluently.
Do you listen to English songs?
Yes, I listen to English songs.
Do you watch English movies?
Yes, I watch English movies.
Do you like fruits?
Yes, I like fruits.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is mango.
Do you eat vegetables?
Yes, I eat vegetables.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrot.
Do you like milk?
Yes, I like milk.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I drink tea.
Do you drink coffee?
No, I do not drink coffee.
Do you like juice?
Yes, I like juice.
What juice do you like?
I like orange juice.
Do you eat bread?
Yes, I eat bread.
Do you eat rice?
Yes, I eat rice every day.
Do you eat chicken?
Yes, I eat chicken.
Do you eat fish?
Yes, I eat fish.
Do you eat eggs?
Yes, I eat eggs.
Do you eat ice cream?
Yes, I eat ice cream.
What flavor do you like?
I like chocolate flavor.
Do you like sweets?
Yes, I like sweets.
Do you eat fast food?
Yes, I eat fast food sometimes.
Do you like pizza?
Yes, I like pizza.
Do you like burgers?
Yes, I like burgers.
Do you go shopping?
Yes, I go shopping.
Where do you go shopping?
I go shopping at the market.
Do you go to the supermarket?
Yes, I go to the supermarket.
Do you buy clothes?
Yes, I buy clothes.
Do you buy shoes?
Yes, I buy shoes.
Do you buy toys?
Yes, I buy toys sometimes.
Do you go shopping with your family?
Yes, I go with my family.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.